My name's David Patterson. I'm the Vice President of Food and Beverage at the Broadmoor, and the Broadmoor is located in Colorado Springs, Colorado in the United States of America. The Broadmoor is a 106-year-old historic hotel of America.
My name is Alyssa Groudens. I am the Director of Recruitment for the Broadmoor that's located in Colorado Springs, Colorado in the USA. I am responsible for overseeing all of our international and domestic recruitment efforts for the Broadmoor, and we're so excited to be here and participate in this program.
We're here today to interview hospitality students. So we travel and interview hospitality students from all over the world and invite students to come participate in a 12-month training program at the Broadmoor where they can advance their career and learn and apply some of the technical training they've received here at the university.
The partnership here has been fantastic. The students that I have interviewed today have been exceptionally prepared. They obviously have a wealth of knowledge, and we're just so excited to continue this partner with the university to ensure that we can maintain a robust student intern program and continue to enhance the knowledge that your students are developing here when they come to the Broadmoor to train.
You know, a lot of students have already joined the Broadmoor and participated in a 3 or 4 month work and travel training program, and during that time they were afforded the opportunity to learn the hotel, to learn the culture, learn the work ethic at the Broadmoor. And I actually interviewed some of those students today and invited them to come back and join us on the 12-month intern trainee program. They did a fantastic job during their first experience with us at the hotel, motivated, excited, passionate food and beverage professionals, and they really had a great experience with us.
The market in the USA is very robust. Hospitality can provide a window and a wide breadth of opportunities for any professional. So regardless of what anybody wants to do, they're going to use that customer service, they're going to use that element of hospitality in their personal and professional career. So it's so important that our students and your trainees are getting this opportunity because they can take it globally and with whatever they want to do and wherever they want to go.